Morning and Assalamu alaikum to the students of level 8. This is me, Miss Sobia from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Welcome to e-learning, the students of level 8. In the previous Zoom session, we have discussed the types of the interview. The types of the interview contains structured, semi-structured and a structured interview. And we have studied the types of the questions: close-ended, introductory questions, open-ended questions, that are all given in your book. You have to make 5 questions of each: close-ended, introductory and open-ended questions in your exercise books. As you can see that on page number 186 you can find out these types of question. You have to make 5 questions of each. The next topic that we are doing is model auxiliaries in the question. Model auxiliary are used in the question. A model auxiliary can be used at the beginning of the question. For example, can, may, might, must, need, should. Can, could can be used in the possibility, ability and permission. May, might can be used in the possibility and in the permission. Whereas must is used in necessity and obligation. Need is used in necessity and obligation. Should is used in obligation. For example, can I deal with it? That is a model auxiliary question. It is used to help the main verb ask about the following meaning in the questions. For example, rule for making the question: I may visit tomorrow. As you can see that may is the auxiliary verb. When we will make the question, we will change may in the first. May I visit you tomorrow? Now, if you are feeling any difficulty in making out the question, just make a simple sentence using model auxiliary verb. Then you can convert into the question. Here are some of the model auxiliary given: can, could, may, might, must, will, would and shall, should. You have to make 7 questions of all using model auxiliary verb. Overall, you have to make 7 questions using these model auxiliary verbs. The next topic is compound words, that has been taken from your book, page number 184. When we are joining two words together, that is called the compound words. When we are using two words that will make some another words and another meaning that it forms, that is the meaning of compound words. A hyphen may sometimes be used. As you can see the example from the book, he managed to become a 3-time Academy Award winner. That is on page number 185. When we are joining 3 time, so we have used hyphen in the center. Now some of the compound words are full-time, household, dressmaker, woodwork. These are the 2 separate words. When we join them together, it became the word with another meaning. Now here is a worksheet. Compound words. Choose a compound word from the box below. To complete each sentence, you have to insert the compound word in the blanks. Number 1 is I saw a dash in my backyard, fly on the flower. Yes, baseball today, butterfly, babysitter, football, eyeball, bookcase, earthquake, underdog, anyone, nowhere. Now you can see that what is flying in the backyard that sat on the flower, that is butterfly. Butter plus fly became a compound word with butterfly. As you can see that butter is totally the different thing, fly is totally the different. When we compare them, it became the word with the different meanings. I saw a butterfly in my backyard spy on the flower. Now you can do the remaining worksheet. Insert compound words. Thank you to the students of level 8. These work you have to do in your exercise books with the proper headings separately. Thank you.